next?
Thank you all for coming. Be safe on the way home. We're leaving. My wife and I are leaving because we're driving to Galveston. But you all are free to stay until one kicks you all out. But keep on eating and drinking and having a great time. Thanks for all the hard work that you do for the Gonzalez Law Group. We really appreciate it. But like I tell everybody, the most that I appreciate is that you all try real hard for our clients. Okay, to do the best we can for them.